Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating Fortnite to Season 11 Chapter 2. So obviously all you guys have to do is click on Fortnite and it's going to start the download. If the download gets stuck at 0% or if it's just not happening, well, all we have to do to make this restart or just refresh and keep going with the update is restart your console. So no matter what you guys have, an Xbox or PlayStation, just restart it. For an Xbox, for example, all you guys have to do is hold on to the X button on your controller. Okay, so that's the Xbox button in the middle of your controller, and then you guys will see these options. So just choose restart console. Restart console will not delete anything from your Xbox. It's just gonna turn it off and turn it on. Okay, so let's say you still have problems. Well, let's again go into your menu. In your menu, go into your last option where you guys see this system. Go into settings. Right under settings, you guys can go right into system. That's your fourth option. And then hit updates and downloads. Under updates and downloads, your third option will say keep my games and apps up to date. Just take off that check mark and restart your console again. So that should do the trick. For me, it's okay, so I'm gonna leave that on. I'm gonna go back. Very last option will be if maybe you're stuck at, I don't know, 30%, 13%, any percentage for that matter. Maybe you don't have any storage left. So just make sure to empty some storage out, delete some games, and then again, just restart your console and you should be fine. Usually this will fix. And storage wise, yes, most people run out of storage midway or something like that, and that's why it's not doing the full update. So just make sure you guys have enough space on your console. So what I'm gonna do right now is just click on Fortnite. So as long as I do this, it should go on and download the update because he won't be able to launch Fortnite. So this is the regular process that I should see right now. There we go. So Fortnite is getting refreshed right now. So Fortnite needs an update. 19 gigs, it's quite a bit. So for some of you, this may take a long time. Others, not really. I'm just gonna pause this other update that's happening here because I don't want this in the way. And I'm gonna go on and hit Fortnite update. So how long will this take? Like I said, well, it depends on your Wi-Fi speed. For some of you, this could just be 20 minutes. Others, 5 minutes or even less. And with really slow internet out there, well, this could take the whole day. After all, it is 20 gigs, so it is quite a bit. For me, it's gonna be about 1 hour just because my internet's not running that fast because I'm uploading a few things. But other than that, that's it. That's how you guys can update your Fortnite. It will not get stuck as long as you guys followed everything I do. If it does, then just follow my tutorial, restart your console. Most likely that will get rid of the problem. Or like I mentioned before, just stop the updates, the automatic updates, and that does the trick as well. Plus check your storage if you guys have enough space for those 20 gigs. Some of you may have 11 gigs or maybe just 18 gigs or just the 19 gigs, but you need that 0.28 more. And that may be why you're having those problems. Anyways, we're just gonna leave this updating. That's how you guys can do it. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you can write it down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.